I feel like I have a monkey on my back. Oh, look. I do have a monkey on my back. Are you going to pretend to go to sleep? You go to sleep? Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? You sleeping?
I didn't up.
You did what?
I didn't up.
You're standing up? Oh.
You hear both?
Uh-huh. Hi, monkey. Say hi, monkey.
Hi, monkey bear.
Monkey bear? I like the addition of the animal.
Mango. Mango.
You go?
Yeah.
Hi, monkey. You sleeping?
I said you.
Say hi, baby.
Hi.
Wow, this living room's a mess. Who's gonna pick it up? Lily, who's gonna pick up this living room? It's a mess.
I'll pick it up.
You will?
Yes.
Thank you. Are you gonna pick it up now? Are you gonna pick it up now?
I'll pick it up.
Now?
I'll pick up this.
Now?
Boom.
Good idea. Distract to another couch.